The director of The Lord of the Rings, Ralph Bakshi, originally planned to make a second film completing the story, but this was never made, so we thought you might like to know what happens next. Gollum's straight and winding stairs do indeed take Frodo and Sam into Mordor, but they also lead quite literally into a spider's web, whereupon Frodo is temporarily poisoned, so Sam becomes the ring bearer for a while. Merry, Pippin and Treebeard flood Saruman's stronghold at Orthanc. Gandalf then confronts Saruman and breaks his magical staff, but Treebeard allows Saruman to escape out of pity. Aragorn then honours his promise to Boromir to fight in the final defence of Gondor when Minas Tirith is attacked by a fearsome army led by the Black Riders. The army is chased to the gates of Mordor as Frodo and Sam reach Mount Doom. Frodo, however, puts on the ring rather than destroy it, but once again they have been followed by Gollum, who pounces on him and bites off the ring, complete with finger. Dancing at the edge of the very crack of doom, Gollum tumbles in, destroying himself, the ring, the power of Sauron, and Mount Doom itself. Everyone celebrates, and Aragorn is crowned King of Gondor. Frodo and his friends return home, only to find that Saruman has taken over the Shire and caused all the destruction that Sam saw predicted in the Mirror of Galadriel. Merry and Pippin then make short work of Saruman, and Sam restores the Shire to its former beauty. Everyone lives happily ever after, with the exception of Frodo, who is haunted by his terrible experiences. Galadriel and all the elves then leave Middle-earth for the west, and Frodo and Bilbo are allowed to go with them as a reward. Finally, the 3 elven rings are revealed. Galadriel, as we know, had one, Elrond had the second, and wily old Gandalf has had the third all along. And if you want to know more, then you'll just have to read Tolkien's books.
Be prepared to... Is it a dream or a spine-chilling nightmare?
I liked torture.
Evil men and ancient rituals.
In the name of Amun-Ra, death, eternal punishment. Good heavens, what a terrible curse.
Mad scientists and worse.
You mind if I say I think you're a swell person?
Run rampant with your emotions on 4.
And emotions will be running high in just a few minutes when the Dallas Cowboys meet the Los Angeles Rams and the Cleveland Browns play the Miami Dolphins in American football.
My old man used to take his time getting home, always stuck in a traffic jam or having a drink with the boys. Until I discovered Bisto gravy granules with real meat stock. They have much more... See what I mean? How was the office, darling?
With real meat stock, Bisto gravy granules have much more...
The showroom's a bit over the top, isn't it?
It's the Fiat Uno successor.
What success?
Car of the year 84, Europe's best-selling small car. Autocar called it the ultimate super mini.
Is that why you sell them then, because they're so successful?
Well, yes.
Well, if they're so successful, why do you give the special warranty and service offer?
Because they're so successful. Sir, cigar?
The Fiat Uno now comes with a free 3-year warranty and special service offer at all Fiat dealers.
Why's that pink duck only got one leg?
How do you eat your Cadbury's cream eggs?
Shaking in what, son?
Look, no hands, Suzanne.
Fancy a nibble, Sybil?
Eat it when you're free, Jeremy. Just give it a suck, Chuck. Bite it in two, Emmylou. So, how do you eat your Cadbury's cream eggs? They're not here forever, Trevor.
Tempered. Precise. Dynamic. The Daily Telegraph, the new look in the North.
Once conditioner is fast-acting, so you can rinse it off without waiting. For a conditioner you can use as often as you like, use Super Soft once. Easy, eh?
Once, use it every day. Once, keeps my hair the spray. Once, Super Soft once.
Once, the fast-acting conditioner.
There is no greater test for the sportsman than the modern pentathlon. The javelin, the high jump, the shooting, the floor exercises, and my best event, the bars. Half a second slow. Funny, it was all right at training this morning.
Hofmeister. A great lager. Follow the bear.
Most brands of videotape still use iron in their formulations, but not BASF. Instead, we use long-lasting chrome. BASF chrome. Ordinary tape is dull by comparison.